What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make $50 a day online in 2020. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Gabe Hogan, and on this channel, we talk about how you can actually make more money, how you can save more money, and also how you can invest your money so it can grow to the maximum amount. Now, if you guys enjoy videos like that, make sure you're subscribed. And make sure you also give this video a thumbs up if you get value from it. It shows the YouTube algorithm that this is a great video and it helps get the content out to more people. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be going through 7 ways that you can actually make $50 a day online in 2020. Now, number 7 is going to be like the one that has the most scale, I believe, and one of my favorite ones. So if you want to, stay in this video and you'll get to hear about that one. Alright, so number one is going to be to sell your old crap that you have in your house on eBay. Sell all your old stuff that you no longer use that's laying around in your house and sell it on eBay to get some money. Now, according to a study from a research firm, NPD, the average American household has about $7,000 worth of unused stuff that can be sold online. This article is actually on the website thebalancesmb.com. Guys, so $7,000 worth of stuff is sitting in your house just waiting to be sold and used for something other than just laying around collecting dust. Alright guys, number 2 on our list is going to be flipping items from local stores to eBay. Flipping items from local stores to eBay. And let me just give you guys a quick example of how this can work. Now, you all can see, that Best Buy actually has these Fujifilm camera cases for around $4.50. $4.50. This is on clearance online. You can order these and get them shipped to your house, but they're selling for $4.50 because they're on clearance. Now, if we go on eBay and we look at these items, these Fujifilm camera cases, you can see that they're selling for $11, $12, maybe even $15 on eBay. Now, yes, you do have to ship them, so you have to take that into account. Yes, there are eBay and PayPal fees, but you also have to look at, will I still make a profit after that? And I would say that there is still some margin there where you can make a profit. Now, this is just one item, guys. This is just one item. So think about how you could go from store to store, maybe even in person, and then just look for items that are on clearance, that are on sale, and then just pick up a couple of those items from each store and then go sell them on eBay for a profit. And bam, there's your $50 a day online. Alright guys, number 3 is going to be get on Fiverr or get on some type of freelancing website. And the services you're going to be able to offer are going to range from website design, logo design, video editing, transcription services, and many other different skills. Okay, so basically you put your services out there on the market, and then people are going to come to you that need help, and then they're going to say, hey Gabe, hey so-and-so, hey, can you make me a website? Can you make me a Shopify store? Can you make me this? Can you edit my video? Can you transcribe my video? And just for instance, for website design, you can easily get $50 per website. Easy. Easy. So I think this is a great opportunity, and this is something that I feel like a lot of people have shied away from, and I'm not completely sure why. Maybe because they can see it involves work, but freelancing is a good option if you want to start making some decent money on the internet. All right, number 4 is going to be start managing and growing businesses and individuals' Instagram accounts. All right, now I'm sure you all know, but Instagram is one of the biggest social media platforms around in 2020. Tons of people use it. Instagram stories have become a big thing. Instagram lives, IGTV. There's all kinds of things going on with Instagram. Now, this is not like a business or anything that I know that much about, so I'm not going to go into detail. I'm not going to go into depth on this topic, but if y'all want to look into it, then go ahead and do so, because Instagram is a huge part of social media in 2020. So go check it out. All right, and coming in at number 5, how to make $50 a day online. Number 5 is going to be start playing video games and build a following on the website Twitch. On the website Twitch. Now, Twitch is just a place, if you don't know, where streamers go, where they can play video games, people watch them, they can subscribe to their channel, they can pay for a membership, and that membership is $4.99, okay? $4.99. Now, the content creator or the streamer will actually get half of that. So they'll get $2.50 per person, right? Per person, per month. So, I've already done the numbers, but if you have 600 subscribers or people that have voluntarily paid their $5 membership per month, then you're going to make $1,500 a month. So 600 subscribers, $1,500 a month. And that comes out to your $50 a day online that you want to make. So 600 subs. So that's something y'all can do if you're into playing video games and you want to start to monetize what you feel like is your passion. Then you can look into Twitch and start making money in that way. Now, that's just one way to make money off Twitch. Maybe you can make money through sponsorships. Maybe you could have your own store that people come and buy things from. I mean, the opportunities are endless. But if you play video games, you want to do that, and you need a place to build a following, then go look at twitch.com and check that out. All right, coming in at number 6. Starting a YouTube channel. That's going to be number 6. Now, you can make money from a YouTube channel in many different ways. Okay? You can go the AdSense route, which is going to be the longer route to take, honestly, because AdSense is just you making money from YouTube putting ads on your videos. Now, there are certain metrics you have to meet for your YouTube channel before you can do that. But once you have met those metrics, then you will start making ad revenue. Now, I didn't do the numbers. I don't know how many views it's going to take for you to get to that $50 a day online, but it will take you a little while unless your videos just go viral. All right? So there's that route. There's also affiliate marketing. You can become a part of a platform called Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates, which all that means is that you can put links in your descriptions where people can go to Amazon, and once they click your link, anything they buy on Amazon, you're actually going to receive a commission for. For instance, like every category has a different commission percentage associated with it, but for instance, if you look at furniture, the commission percentage is 8%. So if somebody buys a piece of furniture that's $100, you're going to receive an $8 commission. Now, the beautiful thing about Amazon Associates is that anything they buy within a certain period of time after they click your link, you're going to get a commission off those products. So if somebody clicks your link to buy, for instance, the piece of furniture, but they also buy dog food and they buy their wife an not an engagement ring, they buy their wife like a necklace or earrings or whatever it may be, whatever they put in their cart, you're going to get paid a commission off of all that. It's not just the product you link them to. So that's pretty cool. Now, Amazon Associates is just one of the affiliate programs you can become a part of. You can become an affiliate of pretty much anything you want. Just search up that company's name and then put affiliate after it, and you can see if that company has an affiliate program and start promoting those products. And then what you can also do with YouTube is that you can start your own brand. You can have your own Shopify store. You can sell products. You can create your own products. There's so many different things that you can do with YouTube. The opportunities are endless, and I could go on and on and on, but let's get to number 7. All right, guys, last but not least, number 7 is going to be create and sell your own online digital products. Create and sell your own online digital products. And you can do this in a lot of different ways. You can do this by hosting it on your own website. You can do it by going through different course marketplaces like Udemy, where they already have the traffic there. You just have to supply the courses. Now, you will receive less money for your courses that way, but the traffic's already there. So you can do it in a lot of different ways. Now, a couple things to note about the online education or digital product industry. Like, you need to be, I'm not going to say an expert, but you need to have a lot of knowledge in that subject. You need to know what you're talking about, and you need to be able to help somebody get to your level or get to a point where they know what you do. Basically, people are going to buy from you because they want a fast track to what they want to do in life. Like, you have to help them be able to do something faster than they would learning it just on their own by trial and error, right? That's why people buy digital products. All right, so I hope that makes sense. Now, the benefits over selling a physical product, like there's no shipping, there's no holding inventory, there's none of that. You don't have to have a warehouse. Like, you don't have to have any of that. There's no returns. Like, if there is a return, it's just digital and it just happens in an instant. So in a lot of ways, it is way easier, and it's going to be a lot easier to scale for you guys, okay? Because you make the course once, or you make the digital product once, you make the ebook once, whatever you create, then you can sell it as many times as you want to. And assuming it's evergreen content, you'll be able to sell this thing for years. All right, guys. So that is number 7. I hope you all enjoyed the content today. If you did, then help me out. Click that thumbs up button. It tells the YouTube algorithm this is a great video, and it helps it get promoted to more people. All right, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all on the next one.